So if you're looking for a portable makeup mirror, then I would love to show you the one that I've been using over the last year. Hi, my name is Marlena, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this FUNTOUCH portable makeup mirror. So reason why I like this mirror is simply because of how slim this design is. And you can see how big it is compared to the size of my hand here. Super small, so it can fit in any luggage, suitcase, backpack, purse, wherever you need to carry this around. It makes it very easy to do so. Me and my husband were actually on vacation right now in a hotel, and I just threw it in my makeup bag. It fits almost anywhere. And what I like about this mirror is that I no longer have to rely on the mirrors in the hotel room, because most of the time those mirrors, most of the time the lighting is not very great. The rooms are all pretty dim. And on top of that, I felt like I was hogging the bathroom and the vanity anytime I was doing my makeup. So with this makeup mirror, I can easily set it up on any countertop to do my makeup, and I could sit down while doing so. Because of how slim design this is and how easy it is to hold with one hand, it makes it so much easier to do my makeup in vehicles now. So obviously as a passenger, not as the driver, but I sometimes if we're running late and I do my makeup in the car, it's easy to hold this makeup mirror with one hand to where I can do my makeup in the car on our trips and on our rides, but without having to rely on those visor mirrors. So with the design of this makeup mirror, it has this plastic flap here that's on a hinge, and all you do to open it up is do that. And then you got this one touch button here to control all your settings. You have the white light option, warm light, and cool light. And you can see how bright this is. To turn it off, all you do is cycle through all the color options, and then you press it again, it shuts off. Within each light setting, you can control the brightness of the light by holding down that button. And what that will do is just, it'll dim the light to about 10% brightness. And then once it's at the lowest setting, it'll stop reducing as far as the brightness. And to turn the light back up, all you do is hold down that button again to increase the brightness. This makeup mirror is also rechargeable, which is really great. I've used it very easily, anywhere from 2 days to 4-day plus trips, and I rarely have to recharge this. I would say if I'm using this for like a 4-day trip and I'm using it a lot, that I might have to recharge it. But for smaller trips, like 2 or 3 days, just for regular use of doing your makeup on a daily basis, the battery life actually holds up very well on this makeup mirror. So, and all you do to charge it, it just requires a micro USB charging cord, and that's it. This makeup mirror also comes with a ×10 mirror, which is very great. It helps me to do things like my mascara and my eyeliner. To set it up, because it has suctions on the back, you just click it to the main mirror, and that's it. So now you can be hands-free while using that mirror also when doing your makeup. So yes, if you're looking for a good makeup mirror, I highly recommend this one by FUNTOUCH. It has come in so handy for me over the last year. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.